Hi guys, I'm Dominique and I'm all the way from Benoni. I'm here at Charlotte today as I've been struggling with endometriosis stage 4 and I've got horrible skin where my hormones completely act out, and I'm here to feel beautiful, get my face done and actually have products that can go on my face without me feeling suffocated at this moment, because like I said, with my endometriosis, this section of my face completely breaks out all the time, and it will be a great relief just to have something where we don't have to feel heavy and we can be free in our own skin, because I have not felt beautiful for very long, and today I'm hoping that that will change. Guys, stay tuned for my reveal soon.
Okay ladies, so this is Dominique. I'm going to start off with our Photoshop primer. Her skin is really dry, so I'm applying a little bit extra than normal. Getting it all the way down. Turn your face, especially this side. So just going to add a little bit more primer. And she tends to break out at the bottom around her chin area. So I did inform her that our Photoshop primer has anti-inflammatory ingredients in it, so that's going to help with any breakouts, if any. So I'm just going to let this sit on her skin for a bit, and then I'm going to rub it in. How does it feel on your
It
skin?
feels so light. It is amazing. Like I don't feel like picking my face because there's no itch on it anymore, which is good.
Okay, then I'm applying the bronze 4 corrector. Just applying the Fair foundation all over, and then I'm going to blend it with my foundation brush. Now I'm going to blend it in with our foundation brush. That's our foundation brush.
It feels nice.
Very light.
Yeah, mine's much harder than this.
The first one was just the application brush where you get the product onto the face and you spread it out. This is your blending brush.
No, my blending brush does not feel like this.
Because that's
But
what
this
it
brush
is.
feels great. I'm not gonna lie.
Turn. And it blends so quickly.
Sorry, I'm just putting my face to feel the foundation.
It's not caked, don't worry. You'll be able
It
to
feels
move.
so good. And you just put one layer on, hey? And how much is your base?
150.
Really?
Close your eyes.
It feels so light. I can't explain to you what it feels like on my face.
And face the camera that way. I'm just adding any extra, which don't need anymore. Sealing her face with number 10 powder, our lightest powder. Okay, face the camera, and then I'm going to spray her face and then contour. Okay, it's going to be cold. 2 spritz on your face, expect it. And another one. Okay, tell me when that's feeling dry. Okay, just using our contour and highlighter palette. Cutting her cheeks, cutting her jawline, making her face appear slimmer. And Dominique is a cool undertone, so I'm going to be using cool colors on her, from her cheeks to her eyes and her lips, but a very, very natural look. A little bit cold. I've sprayed that with fixing spray, so highlighting your cheekbones, not your cheeks. Up here. Tan. Highlighting in between the contours. Next, I'm going to do your brows. Just brushing it away first. Don't frown. Just leave it normal. Leave it normal. Don't frown. Don't frown. Leave your brows normal. Okay, don't frown.
Is it like, does it look normal?
No, you're still frowning.
Sorry, I think it's like a habit.
Yeah, that's better. Okay, just leave it like that. I'm just brushing away the powder first. Okay, and I'm starting with the right side first. That's perfect, but try not to frown.
Okay. Sorry, that sounds like a slide. Yeah, it's like a permanent frown.
That's why I need to do corrective makeup to make sure they're both the same height. Okay, I'm just going to apply some primer on your eyes. Keep your eyes closed now, and I'll tell you when to open, because now is when the eyes gets done.
Nice.
So I'm just using the Miss Rose palette, which is 400 Rand for this. For her look, very subtle, soft pinks, nothing too hard. Just applying primer on her lids first. Using the second one on her lid. So I really want her highlighter to pop on the inner corners of her eyes, and so I'm using number 2 shadow pencil on the inner corners, and then I'm going to apply the white shadow over as well as underneath her brows. She's got small almond shaped eyes, so I don't want to do too much of shading. Just want to give her a more natural princess look, kind of shimmery highlighted eyes with lashes, inner corners, still using the Miss Rose palette, but number 2 shadow pencil. Okay, and then I'm using the white, inner corners. Next, I'm doing a very thin line using our number 1 brow tattoo on her lids to line her eyes. Close your eyes for me and turn towards me. Perfect. I'm starting off with the right side first. Raise your brows. Okay, next is I'm going to prep her lashes and then do her mascara thereafter. Okay, let's do her lashes. Face the camera. Okay, while your lashes are still drying, I'm going to do your lips a soft pink. Blot, blot, blot. That's our moist lipstick in number 11 to moisturize for the lip matte that I'm going to use, which is my favorite number 2 creamy lip matte. So that's the color we're choosing for her. It's the Bullet lipstick, a pink. So whenever you use a lip matte, you must use a corresponding moist lipstick in that color. Okay, next I'm going to put on her lashes, which should be ready. So beautiful ladies, this is Dominique for her after look. If you'd like to know what I've used on her face, please WhatsApp me on 079-272-4713. Remember ladies, to please subscribe to my YouTube channel if you would like to see more of these amazing tutorials. Until the next tutorial, bye!
Guys, I would definitely recommend coming down, giving this a shot, trying these beautiful products on your face. Like I said, I needed to feel like a woman, and I am not leaving here feeling less than that today. I feel light, free, and super beautiful. Thank you so much, guys. I actually do want to cry. Oh my gosh. I look normal. You know, like with endo, you don't get to see this look so clean.
Now you understand why I had to apply so much of primer.
You don't. Like, look how good that looks. Oh my gosh. And it's not cakey, which is amazing. Oh, I love it. And I love how you made my lips this pink. This is beautiful. I would definitely recommend this base to the world. Like, it feels so good. And like I said, it feels light.
It was one drop, literally one drop on your face and on your neck as well.
And you've matched this color beautifully.
So now when people tell you you're a warm undertone, don't believe them. Don't listen to them.
Wow.
I proved to you you're a true cool undertone.
I can't believe how perfectly that has been blended. Oh wow. That's awesome. Thank you so much. It's
How
like
does it feel on your skin?
it's amazing. It's light. And like I said here, it's when you put makeup on dry skin, this cracks.
It feels tight.
It's not, and that's the best part. That this is not tight, and I can actually feel free in my makeup.
And you're not the first person to have done that while I was doing the makeup, to have done that, to see the feel. You're not the first model. So this is obviously a problem with other brands, where it cracks while you're applying it.
It is, and I'm not lying, and all of it will sit here,
In your
right on your lines, and my eyebrows. Wow. Hey?
Eyebrows were a bit of a challenge.
They were, but you did such a good job.
One side is quite anxious and the other isn't, so I had to.
And I love this pink. What pink did you say that you did here?
It's from our Miss Rose palette, which is 400 Rand. And then I use our shadow pencils on the inside and under your brows and use the white from the same palette. So it's like a shimmery pink.
And it's nice and natural, which is nice.
Suits your cool tones.
Especially with, like you're saying, my eyes being so small.
That's why I had to not use too much of shading colors.
I can't believe how you made me look alive.
And made your eyes
Hey?
bigger.
Oh, you always,
My eyes do. My eyes look beautifully big.
you always had it in you, just buy it.
And like so symmetrical with the eyebrows and you literally just picked up the lip just a bit there.
Just half a mil. Just half a millimeter, just to give you a bit of a pout and give you some metallic to catch the light and make it look.
Oh, beautiful. I love that. I've never done that before in my life. And it just makes the lip look better.
It does.
Hey?
And the metallic adds to it by catching the light and making it bigger.
Guys, thank you so much. This is beautiful. Can't wait to take my endo group and show them.
Oh, you understand. Okay.